Today we will review this switch opener. And first of all, this independent Kailh switch opener, like other switch opener, has a round hole at the bottom to take out the switch. You can see it's very easy to use. The second is a 2-in-1 switch opener, which can open Cherry switch and Kailh switch, and also can open 2 kinds of switch smoothly. The third one is a basic 3-in-1 switch opener, which can open the Kailh and Cherry switch and test the switch after the switch is rubbed. It's very small but it's of great use. Next, the fifth one is also an upgrade of our 3-in-1 switch opener. The appearance is very simple. After opening, you can see that Kailh switch can be opened on this side, Cherry switch can be opened on the other side, and switch tester can be made on the reverse side. It will be the best switch opener in 2020. The last one is our upgrade single Cherry switch opener. The left one is an old model. Its age is straight, which can't open the Gateron switch, but the right one can. It's an upgrade model, which angle has radian. Certainly, it can also open the Cherry switch like the old one. Well, here's a tip. When you open the switch, you can take a kick cave and install it on the switch body. Then you can open the switch, rub the switch, and then install it back, which can finish what you have to do faster.